Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peloton how to clip in. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to clip in on Peloton bike, what you need to do first is head over and open up the app. Then what you need to do next is position the pedal, then rotate the pedal to the 6 o'clock position using your foot or by turning the flywheel. This positions the pedal flat and ready for clipping in. The next is to align the cleat. Place the ball on your foot of the pedal, ensuring the cleat on your cycling shoe aligns with the pedal's mechanism. Then apply downward pressure with your heel. You should hear an audible click as the cleat locks into place. Then secure the other foot and repeat the process to your other foot. Then if you find difficult to clip in or out, the pedal tension might be too tight, to adjust, locate the tension screw, then adjust the tension, and then once done you'll be able to clip in. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.